Good morning, students of class 4th. Students, today I'll be continuing with lesson 4 of Wordsworth English Reader. Why do bees buzz? So, those of you who have purchased the new edition of Wordsworth English Reader, please take out your books and turn to page number 28. I'll be continuing with lesson 4 Why do bees buzz? Students, today I'll be continuing with lesson 4 Why do bees buzz? In my last video, students, I had explained page number 28. Now we know that animals and birds, they make different sounds for different reason. Some make sounds to warn the other animals from the predators. Some make sounds to warn the other animals not to enter their territories. Some make sounds to communicate. So there are various reasons for various animals to make sounds. And in this lesson, we will learn why do bees buzz? Why bees make that buzzing, humming sound? The first reason what uh, we thought was that was the sound which the bees take out, is it a code word used by them? The sound which the bees take out, is it a code word, a secret word which they used to communicate among themselves? But no, it's not a code word for the bees. Then we thought that when they spot honey out of excitement, do they take out that buzzing sound? No, again, this was not the reason. What we read yesterday was that the bumblebee, especially we're talking about the bumblebee, it makes a buzzing sound when it beats its wings up and down. And the smaller the wings, the bees have to beat faster. And the faster they'll beat, the louder the sound will come. So this was the uh, one of the reasons which we read in this lesson. And the second reason was bees buzz when they transfer pollens from one plant to the other. So the author has compared them to a postman who delivers letter from one place to another. This is what we had read yesterday. Now, before I move ahead, I will once again read the lesson for you and then I'll explain the lesson. Buzz. Hey, what's all that buzz about? Is it a code word used by bees to call their friends, or a hum of excitement when honey is spotted? Bees, particularly bumblebees, make a loud buzzing sound as they fly. The sound is made when the wings beat up and down. The smaller the wings, the faster the bees have to beat them in order to fly. And the quicker they beat, the louder the buzz. Bees also buzz to do something very useful. They carry pollen from one flower to the other like postmen delivering letters. Pollen is the powdery grain on flowers. Pollen helps plants to make seeds. Bees are excellent pollinators. Thanks to them, many new plants grow and sprout all around. How do those tiny grains of pollen stick to the bee's feet? When bees sit on a flower to suck honey, the grains of pollen stick to their feet and bodies. Then, when the same bees buzz near a flower and perform a lively dance, the quivering shakes the pollen off on other flowers. The bees then fly to other flowers where they leave the pollen behind to pick up new ones, and this process continues. Bees are the buzzing godfathers of many new plants that grow away from the parent tree. Can you hear your own breath? Usually not. But you can hear a bee breathing. That is because the buzz is also the sound of the bee breathing. It has a small segmented body. So when it breathes, the air gets on a roller coaster ride through all those bumpy paths inside and creates a buzz. Sounds pretty exciting, doesn't it? Aren't those busy bees truly amazing? So, students, the author wants to tell us about bees. That bee, in spite of being a small creature, it is very amazing, very important for our nature, for our environment, because they are the one who transfer pollens from one flower to other and help the plants to grow seeds, and then new plants are grown away from the parent plant. So bees really are very useful for the nature. So students, yesterday we had read that the first reason why bees buzz was they make a loud buzzing sound when, especially the bumblebees, they beat their wings up and down. And the smaller the wings of a bee, the faster the bees have to beat them in order to fly. बेटा जितने छोटे उनके विंग्स होंगे उनको उतना फास्ट बीट करना होगा टू फ्लाई हाई, और जितना फास्ट और क्विक वो विंग्स बीट करेंगे उतना लाउडर जो buzzing sound, that zzz, this sound will come out. So we were thinking there were questions like bees buzz because maybe they are using a code word. That buzzing sound is a code word which they used to communicate among themselves. A code word? What is a code word? A secret word used by the bees. But no, this is not the code word. Bees, bumblebees, they buzz because when they beat their wings up and down, the buzzing sound comes out. And the smaller the wings, the quicker they have to beat the wings, and the quicker they'll beat, the louder the buzzing sound will come. So this was one of the reasons we read in the lesson. And the other reason was bees buzz when they transfer pollen from one flower to the other. So that's the reason bees are called pollinators. And as I had explained, pollinators are those small insects, animals who carry pollens from one flower to the other, and the transfer of pollen from one flower to the other is known as pollination, and pollination helps the plant to grow new seeds. Plants, they cannot move from one place to other, so to produce new plants, to grow new plants and seeds, they need someone to transfer their pollens from one flower to the other. So here the bees, they play a very important role in transferring the pollen from one flower to the other. बेटा हर कोई produce करता है. Human beings, they give birth. Animals, they give birth. Birds, they lay eggs. But plants, इनको भी seeds बना के new plants grow करना होता है. But since plants cannot walk, उनके अंदर जो powdery yellow, you have seen a flower के अंदर that yellow powders sort of particles are there in a flower. At times it sticks to your fingers also if you touch the center of the flower. So that yellow sticky powder is known as pollens. And to grow new seeds from plants, वो जो पोलन होता है बेटा एक फ्लावर से दूसरे फ्लावर में जाना चाहिए. Then plants will grow, the plants will make seeds, and later on the seeds will sprout into new plants. You all know what are sprouts? Sprouts, jo when you soak the seeds in water and then keep it overnight. Next day you'll see in a day or two small white roots coming out from the soaked seeds. So that means they have started sprouting, isn't it? And we all like to eat sprouts. Eating sprouts is very healthy for us also. So that sprouts, when the small root starts coming out from the seed, that is, the seed starts growing into a plant. The root is coming, and when then you bury that small seed inside the soil, what will happen after some days? You'll notice a small sapling coming out of the ground. So students, that is how this happens. When the bees, they transfer the pollen from one flower to the other, and then the plants, they grow new seeds, and those seeds help the plants to grow new plants, and those new plants, they grow away from the parent plant. So we came to know about two reasons why the bees buzz. First reason they buzz is when they beat their wings up and down. The smaller the wings, the quicker they'll have to beat to fly, and the quicker they'll beat their wings, the louder the buzz will come. This was the first reason. And the second reason was when the bees, they help in transferring the pollen from one flower to the other. That time also they buzz, and before sitting on a flower, they buzz around the flower, and then the buzzing sound also comes. And what happens, students? Generally, if they sat on a flower, उसमें से वो nectar पीते, sweet nectar, and then they move to the other flower, and before sitting on the other flower, they buzz around the flower. So when they buzz, their body shakes, and whatever the pollens which are stuck to its body while quivering, shaking around the flower, what happens? Those pollens at times, they drop into the flower, and this is also how the pollination takes place. Now students, the author has also compared the bees to a postman. Why? As the postman delivers letters from one place to the other, same way the bees, they transfer pollen from one flower to the other. Now students, I'll explain page number 29. Pollen is the powdery grain on flowers. Pollen helps plants to make seeds. Now what is pollen? Beta, आपने flowers देखे होंगे. When you see a flower, और आप कभी उसके सेंटर में, if you try to touch it, some yellow powdery substance sticks on your fingers. If you try to touch the flower with your finger, that yellow powdery powder like substance, it sticks on your finger. That yellow powdery substance is pollen. And what happens? Plants need pollens to make seeds. And how the pollen is transferred from one flower to the other, we had seen in the video also, in how bees, they transfer pollen from one flower to the other. And why pollen is important for plants? Because with the help of only pollens, plants, they make new seeds, and those new seeds, they help to make other plants. Bees are excellent pollinators. Now, who are pollinators, students? Animals or things that help in pollination. Now, what is pollination? Pollination is the transfer of pollens from one flower to the other. Who are pollinators? Pollinators, animals or things that help in pollination. Who are pollinators? Animals or things who help in pollination. And what is pollination? Pollination is the transfer of pollens from one flower to the other. तो पॉलिनेटर्स कौन है? वो एनिमल्स और इंसेक्ट्स जो पोलन को बेटा ट्रांसफर करते हैं एक फ्लावर से दूसरे फ्लावर तक. एंड पॉलिनेशन क्या है? द ट्रांसफर ऑफ पोलन्स फ्रॉम वन फ्लावर टू द अदर. एंड why is pollination important? Because pollination ही क्या करता है बेटा? जब वो पोलन्स एक फ्लावर से दूसरे फ्लावर में ट्रांसफर होते हैं, तब वो फ्लावर जिसमें ट्रांसफर होते हैं वो सीड्स बनाता है. और वो सीड्स, why their seeds are important? Because वही सीड्स आगे जाके न्यू प्लांट्स बनते हैं which grow. तो अगर ये पोलन्स ट्रांसफर नहीं होगा तो न्यू प्लांट्स ग्रो नहीं करेंगे, isn't it? So bees are very important. That is the reason we call them pollinators, because they transfer the pollens from one flower to the other and help the plants to grow more plants, isn't it? Now, bees are excellent pollinators. Bees को excellent pollinator क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि वो क्या करते हैं? पोलन्स को ट्रांसफर करते हैं from one flower to the other flower. And why this transfer is required? Because this transfer of pollen helps in pollination, and pollination helps the plants to make seeds, and those seeds then grow into new plants. Thanks to them, many new plants grow and sprout all around. And bees pollinate करते हैं फ्लावर को, उससे नए प्लांट्स उगते हैं. सीड्स, फ्लावर जो प्लांट है वो सीड्स बनाते हैं, वो सीड्स नए प्लांट्स में ग्रो करते हैं. और ये नए प्लांट्स के ग्रोथ के लिए हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल? द बीज आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल. बिकॉज अगर वो पॉलिनेट नहीं करते फ्लावर को तो न्यू प्लांट कैसे ग्रो करता? So bees are very very important for the environment and nature. So thanks to them, तो ये जो new plants grow कर रहे हैं, why are they growing? Just because of the small bees, because they pollinate the flowers and help the plant to make seeds, and later on those seeds grew into new plants. और जब वो seeds बनाते हैं, फिर वो स्पीड्स क्या होती है? स्प्राउट होती है, उससे न्यू प्लांट्स होता है. थैंक्स टू देम, देम रिफर्स टू bees, because it is because of the bees only new plants are growing. Many new plants grow and sprout all around. फिर bees ही ट्रांसफर करते हैं पोलन्स, जिसके कारण प्लांट्स क्या करता है? सीड्स बनाता है. and when the seeds are made, then they sprout into new plants. Now, how do those tiny grains of pollens stick to the bee's sweet? Now, the question is कि वो जो छोटे छोटे पोलन के पाउडर्स हैं वो बी के फीट में कैसे स्टिक करते हैं? अभी हम, दिस इज आवर क्वेश्चन कि why the bee, we came to know that bees transfer pollen from one flower to the other. Now, how do they transfer? Do they pick up the pollens, or how do they do? Now, this is how the tiny grains, जो छोटे छोटे minute particles हैं वो pollen के, वो bee के feet में कैसे stick होते हैं? Now we'll read about this. When bees sit on a flower to suck honey, the grains of pollen stick to their feet and body. Now what happens? All of us are aware that bees, they make honey, isn't it? And how do they make honey? For making honey, bees sit on a flower. बी एक फ्लावर के अंदर बैठते हैं. Why they sit in a flower? To suck its sweet nectar. फ्लावर्स के अंदर एक स्वीट जूसी बेटा सब्सटेंस होता है जिसको स्मॉल इंसेक्ट्स, बर्ड्स दे लाइक टू सक. और उस स्वीट जूस को हम इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? नेक्टर. नाउ व्हाट इज नेक्टर? नेक्टर इज द स्वीट substance or juice in a flower, and bees, butterflies, small birds, they sit in the flower to suck. जैसे suck करना आप जो जानते हैं ना, you suck a soft drink from a straw. आप straw लगा के fruity, Fanta, thumbs up आप suck करते हो कि नहीं? तो same way mosquito sits on your body and sucks your blood. So sucks means to drink, है ना? The same way what do these flowers, these bees, birds and butterflies, they do? They sit in a flower, inside a flower, and suck that sweet juice called nectar from the flower. तो and bees क्या करते हैं जब वो flower के अंदर बैठते हैं? Why do they sit in a flower? To suck the sweet juice of the flower, and that sweet juice is called nectar. So when bees sit on a flower to suck honey, here in the lesson it is called honey, but actually it is nectar. It is not honey. Honey to later on they make from the nectar. But actually bees sit in a flower to suck the sweet juice of the flower, and that sweet juice is called nectar, not honey. बेटा वो स्वीट जूस को हम नेक्टर बोलते हैं, हनी नहीं बोलते हैं. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज. हनी इज मेड लेटर ऑन बाय द बीज. ओके. So the grains of the pollen stick to their feet and body. Students, I would like you to please underline the word honey and write nectar instead of honey. Please write, make a circle on honey and write nectar. Nectar. What is nectar? Nectar is the sweet juice which a flower makes. And who sucks that nectar, that sweet juice? Bees, small birds, insects, butterflies, they suck the nectar from the flower. So all of you, please circle the word honey and write nectar in place of the word honey. Now, what happens when bees sit on a flower to suck honey? The grains of pollen stick to their feet and body. अब क्या होता है बेटा? When the bees sit in a flower, flower के अंदर बैठते हैं on a flower. They sit on a flower to suck honey. जब वो honey पीने के लिए बैठते हैं उसमें, what is honey? Honey actually what did I explain? It is not honey. It is nectar. What is nectar? The sweet juice of a flower, which bees, butterflies, small birds, insects, they like to suck. So when a bee sits in a flower, she sits on top of a flower to suck the honey. The small grains of pollen, जो छोटे छोटे minute pollen के yellow powdery substance है, वो क्या होता है? bees के feet में और body में stick कर जाता है. बी तो फ्लावर के ऊपर बैठी नेक्टर पीने के लिए, एंड शी इज नॉट अवेयर, बट दैट स्टिकी पाउडरी सब्सटेंस स्टिक्स ऑन इट्स विंग्स एंड फीट. तो बी के फीट में, दोनों जो फीट है उनमें और उसके बॉडी में वो पाउडरी सब्सटेंस स्टिक कर जाता है. देन व्हाट हैपेंस? देन व्हेन द बीज बज नियर अ फ्लावर एंड परफॉर्म अ लाइवली डांस, द क्विवरिंग शेक्स द पोलन ऑफ ऑन अदर फ्लावर. अब उसके बाद क्या होता है? बी ने एक फ्लावर के ऊपर वो बैठी टू सक द नेक्टर, एंड आफ्टर sometimes what happens, by the time she's sucking the nectar, that pollens they stick on its body and feet, and after drinking nectar from one flower, the bees fly to another flower to suck the nectar. But कोई भी flower पे बैठने से पहले bees क्या करती हैं? They are happy because they buzz around the flower. और जब वो buzz करते हैं, when we see the bees, we feel they are performing a lively dance. और bees जब flower के ऊपर बैठने से पहले what do? They buzz around the flower. वो flower के चारों तरफ घूम घूम के buzz करते हैं, and उस buzz में क्या होता है? We feel कि they are dancing. It's a lively dance. Lively dance means a dance which is full of energy. When you all dance, you dance full of energy. You are very lively. You are very happy. So same way, when bees, they spot a flower, say they buzz around a flower, and what if we see from far away, we will feel that as if the bee is performing a lively dance. तो जब वो बी बस करती है बेटा, the whole body of the bee shakes. पूरी बी की बॉडी जोर से शेक करती है, एंड उस शेक वाले जो क्विवरिंग प्रोसेस है उसमें क्या होता है? बी की बॉडी और विंग्स पे जो येलो पाउडरी सब्सटेंस जिसका नाम है पोलन, वी कॉल दैट येलो पाउडरी सब्सटेंस एज पोलन. वो येलो पाउडरी ग्रेन्स, छोटे छोटे माइन्यूट पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? ग्रेन्स, है ना? माइन्यूट येलो पोलन. दैट yellow small powder like grains, they are sticking to the bee's body. और वो क्या होता है? वो जब वो क्विवर करती है फ्लावर के आसपास, तो उसकी बॉडी शेक करती है. इट इज फ्लैपिंग इट्स विंग, इट इज बीटिंग द विंग. और अभी हमने पढ़ा वो बहुत अप एंड डाउन बीट फास्ट करती है. इट इज फ्लाइंग सो इट इज बीटिंग इट्स विंग्स. तो जो विंग्स में, बॉडी में, फीट में जो पोलन के छोटे छोटे माइन्यूट ग्रेन्स पार्टिकल्स स्टिक करे थे, वो फ्लावर के ऊपर दे स्टार्ट फॉलिंग ऑफ. बी की बॉडी से जब जोर से बॉडी शेक कर रही बजिंग साउंड के कारण, तो वो धीरे 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 पोलन्स जो हैं, दैट powder like grains which are stuck to the bee's body, they start falling out from the bee's body and goes into the flower जिसके ऊपर वो buzz कर रही है. The bees then fly to other flowers where they leave the pollen behind to pick up the new ones, and this process continues. बी एक फ्लावर के ऊपर बैठी नेक्टर सक करने के लिए. उसके बाद वहां पे क्या हुआ, while the bee is sucking the nectar from the flower, the small yellow powder like grains, they are stuck to its body, and when the bee moves from one flower to the other, वो पहले तो फ्लावर के ऊपर बस करती है. उस प्रोसेस में भी at times what happens, the pollens they fell off from the bee's body and enters another flower, and at times क्या होता है, bee बस करने के बाद फ्लावर में फिर दूसरे फ्लावर में बैठी, वहां उसके ऊपर दूसरे फ्लावर के पोलन स्टिक कर गए, फिर वो दूसरे फ्लावर के ऊपर गई, वहां उससे बॉडी से जो पोलन्स जो दूसरे फ्लावर के थे वो शेक होके जब भी अपने विंग्स बीट कर रही है, वो पोलन्स के जो स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स है पोलन्स के, वो दूसरे फ्लावर में गिरते हैं. सो बी एक फ्लावर से दूसरे फ्लावर पे जाती है, एक फ्लावर के पोलन स्टिक करते हैं, फिर वो दूसरे फ्लावर के ऊपर बस करती है, लाइवली डांस परफॉर्म करती है, वहां वो ड्रॉप करती है, then she sits in the flower, then she picks up new pollens, then she moves to other flower. तो ये प्रोसेस चलता रहता है. बी फ्लावर टू फ्लावर मूव करती है और वो हर फ्लावर से पोलन्स लेके दूसरे फ्लावर में क्या करती है, ट्रांसफर करती है. तो दिस इज व्हाट द बी इज डूइंग. शी इज हेल्पिंग द फ्लावर्स इन पॉलिनेशन. वो एक फ्लावर के पोलन दूसरे फ्लावर में ट्रांसफर करती है. जैसे पोस्टमैन लेटर एक घर से दूसरे लेटर लेके जाता है, सेम वे द बीज वो एक फ्लावर के जो पोलन है, येलो पाउडरी स्मॉल ग्रेन लाइक थिंग्स, वो पाउडर को एक फ्लावर से दूसरे फ्लावर में ट्रांसफर करती है, एंड दैट इज पॉलिनेशन. और वो येलो पाउडर जब दूसरे फ्लावर में बेटा जाता है तो उस फ्लावर को न्यू सीड्स बनाने में हेल्प करता है. ठीक है, वो फ्लावर उसको जब दूसरे फ्लावर का पोलन मिलता है तो वो फ्लावर थोड़े दिन बाद सीड्स बनाता है, और जब वो सीड्स गिरती हैं कहीं भी तो उससे क्या होता है, थोड़े दिन में वो सीड्स स्प्राउट होती हैं एंड न्यू प्लांट इज ग्रोन. सो बीज हेल्प द flowers in transferring the pollen from one flower to the another. वो pollination में help करती. What is pollination? Pollination is the transfer of pollen from one flower to the other. और bee pollination में help करती, इसीलिए bee को हम क्या बोलते हैं बेटा, pollinators. जो pollination में help करता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, pollinator. The bees then fly to other flowers where they leave the pollen behind to pick up the new one. वो एक फ्लावर में दूसरे फ्लावर का पोलन गिराती, फिर दूसरे फ्लावर में जाती है, तो जिस फ्लावर के बैठ के वो नेक्टर सक कर रही थी उसका पोलन फिर वो दूसरी जगह शिफ्ट करती है. एंड दिस प्रोसेस बेटा कीप्स ऑन कंटिन्यूइंग. जैसे जैसे बी फ्लावर टू फ्लावर मूव करती है, वो एक फ्लावर का पोलन दूसरे फ्लावर में ट्रांसफर करती है. एंड दिस प्रोसेस कंटिन्यू. So bees are the buzzing godfather of many new plants that grow away from the parent tree. अब बेटा जनरली क्या होता है, हम ह्यूमन बीइंग्स में जब कोई भी बेबी होता है वो पेरेंट के पास ही रहता है बेबी, जब तक कि वो बड़ा ना हो जाए. बट वी आर क्लोज टू आवर पेरेंट्स ओनली. बट यहाँ पे क्या होता है, नॉट नेसेसरी बेटा कि एक फ्लावर का पोलन, जिस फ्लावर का पोलन है वो हो सकता है बी किसी बहुत दूर किसी फ्लावर के पास ले जाके पोलन को ड्रॉप करे, ट्रांसफर करे, इजंट इट. तो बीज को यहाँ पे गॉडफादर कहा गया है. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट इज ट्रांसफरिंग द पोलन ऑफ अ वन प्लांट टू द अदर प्लांट, एंड दैट न्यू प्लांट इट विल ग्रो फार अवे फ्रॉम द पेरेंट प्लांट. जिस फ्लावर से उसने पोलन लिया है जरूरी नहीं कि उसके पास वाले फ्लावर में ही बी वो पोलन ट्रांसफर करे. इट कैन ट्रांसफर द पोलन टू अ फ्लावर हु इज फार अवे फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट फ्लावर. सो बी को इसलिए गॉड फादर कहा गया है बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स द प्लांट्स इन मेकिंग सीड्स एंड द सीड्स हेल्प्स द प्लांट्स इन ग्रोइंग न्यू प्लांट्स. तो वो जो न्यू प्लांट है वो जरूरी नहीं है कि अपने पेरेंट प्लांट के पास ही ग्रो करे, वो कहीं दूर भी ग्रो कर सकता है जहां बी ने उसका पोलन ट्रांसफर किया है. सो दैट इज द रीजन कि बी ने नया प्लांट ग्रो करने में हेल्प किया है, फर्स्ट वाले जिसका फ्लावर लेके जिसके फ्लावर से वो पोलन जिसने ट्रांसफर किया था. सो दैट इज द रीजन बी को क्या कहा गया है, गॉड फादर, क्योंकि वो हेल्प कर रही है प्लांट को उसी तरह का न्यू प्लांट बनाने में. एंड नॉट नेसेसरी कि वो उस जो न्यू प्लांट होगा वो पेरेंट प्लांट के पास ही ग्रो करेगा, वो वहां ग्रो करेगा जहां बी ने उसका पोलन बेटा ट्रांसफर किया होगा. So the new plant that can grow somewhere far away from the parent plant. And why growing far away? Because the bee has transferred it to the other flower who was far away from the first plant. So bees are called godfather. Why? Because it has helped the parent plant to grow a new plant. And godfather, what does godfather means? People who help in developing something. तो यहाँ पे भी हेल्प कर रही है उस प्लांट को न्यू प्लांट ग्रो करने में एंड मे बी अवे फ्रॉम द पेरेंट प्लांट. सो दैट इज द रीजन कि बी को गॉडफादर कहा गया. बेटा पेरेंट प्लांट कौन सा, जिसके पेरेंट ट्री कौन सा, जिसके फ्लावर से उसने पोलन उसकी बॉडी पे स्टिक किया और उसने दूसरे फ्लावर में ट्रांसफर किया. अब वो दूसरा फ्लावर थोड़े दिन में सीड्स बनाएगा और जिस पेरेंट ट्री का पोलन उसमें गिरा होगा उस तरह का प्लांट वो सेकेंड जिसमें ट्रांसफर किया उसके पास कहीं पे ग्रो करेगा. सो द प्लेस इज फार अवे फ्रॉम द पेरेंट ट्री. नाउ कैन यू हियर योर ओन ब्रेथ? क्या हम बेटा अपनी सांसें सुन सकते हैं? At times, but generally not. At times, sometimes we can hear our breath, isn't it? When we run very fast and we start breathing very quickly, at times we can hear our breath, but usually not. But generally every time when we breathe we cannot hear our own breath. हम अपनी जब हम सांस लेते हैं, we inhale and exhale air, we generally do not hear ourselves breathing. हमको अपनी सांस इनहेल करना एक्सहेल करना नहीं सुनाई देता. बट कभी कभी जब हम बहुत फास्ट दौड़ते हैं at times, then we can hear our breathing, but usually we do not hear when we inhale and exhale air. So usually when we inhale and exhale air, we do not hear our own breath, but you can hear a bee breathing. But the author says we can hear a bee breathing, but हम एक bee को breathe करते हुए we can hear. We cannot hear our breathing, but we can hear a bee breathing. This is because the buzz is also the sound of bee breathing. Now this is the third reason of the bee making the buzzing sound. First reason was that when it beats its wings up and down, first reason वो है that it makes the buzzing sound. Second, when it is flying around a flower, it makes that buzzing sound. Third is the reason the bee makes buzzing sound when it breathe. जब वो बेटा सांस लेती है और air inhale exhale करती है, that is also a reason we can hear the buzzing sound of a bee. Now it has a small segmented body, so when it breathes the air gets on a roller coaster rides through all those bumpy parts inside and creates a buzz. अब बेटा आपने बी की जो बॉडी है वो सेगमेंटेड है, Now, what do you mean by segmented body which is having different parts? उसकी बॉडी छोटे 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 पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है, बी की बॉडी. और क्या होता है, जब वो एयर ब्रीथ करती है तो उसकी बॉडी में, आपने कभी रोलर कोस्टर देखा है, स्पेशली इन फेयर्स वगैरह में, दैट रोलर कोस्टर राइड, वो इट गोज अप एंड डाउन. It is not even roller coaster rides mein, if you go, it goes up in the air, then it comes out suddenly, then it goes up in the air and then it comes out suddenly. What happens, तो वो रोलर कोस्टर राइड जैसी उसकी बॉडी है, तो वो एयर, वो सेगमेंटेड, जो डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में उसकी बॉडी है, उसमें से वो एयर मूव करती है. एंड दैट पार्ट्स, जो बी के पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी, वो स्मूथ नहीं है, वो इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स. तो जब एयर मूव करती है उसकी सेगमेंटेड बॉडी से, देन ऑल्सो इट मेक्स द बजिंग साउंड. और जो बेटा सेगमेंटेड बॉडी, वो स्मूथ नहीं है, इट इज दैट अप एंड डाउन लाइक अ रोलर कोस्टर राइड. आपने फेयर्स वगैरह, मेले वगैरह में वो रोलर कोस्टर झूला देखा होगा, जो ऊपर जाता है फिर नीचे जाता है. And when you go up, you start shouting, you start screaming out of, because you feel as if you are suddenly going to drop down. So bee ki body is also segmented like a roller coaster ride. The air, when it moves through the segmented body, it is going up and down. It is not even. So which is not even, usko hum kya bolte hain? Bumpy. At times when we drive on the road is very bumpy, not smooth, not even. कभी ऊपर है, कभी गड्ढा है, कभी नीचे है. तो आप, you feel that unevenness, that is bumpy, you feel the jerks, isn't it? So same way, when the air moves into the bee's body is segmented means having different parts. So the air moves like a roller coaster ride in the bee's body. So then when the air moves inside the bee's body, it makes that buzzing sound. So sounds pretty exciting, doesn't it? We have never thought, we have often heard the bees buzzing around us, but हमने कभी सोचा ही नहीं कि bee buzz क्यों करती है. We would have assumed that it is buzzing because this is a secret code word used by the bees, or they are happy to spot honey. But we have never thought that these could be the reasons. Now today what we have learned, the first reason is bees buzz when they beat their wings up and down, and the faster they beat the wings, the louder the buzz will come. Second reason for buzzing is when they fly around a flower, and when they transfer the pollen, that is the time they beat their uh, wings, and then the pollen, it shreds off from its body and goes into other flower. So that is pollination, transfer of pollen from one flower to the other. So this was the second reason why a bee buzz. And the third reason is bees buzz because when they breathe air, their body is segmented. Segmented means having different parts. So when the air moves into its segmented body, it moves like a roller coaster ride, and it makes the buzzing sound because the air is not moving evenly. It is going up and down into the segmented body, and the body is not even. So the buzzing sound comes out. So students, these were the three reasons why a bee buzz. It is really amazing to know that bee, being a small creature, we have not realized that how important a bee is for the environment and nature. That it helps a plant, a tree to grow new plants. It helps a tree in producing new plants. So that is the reason they have been called the godfather of many trees and plants. I hope the lesson is clear to you.